Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're one of my returning members, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, could you please share, like, and smash the subscribe button. It definitely helps the channel grow. And as always, I'm not a doctor, don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. And welcome to week 23 update. And I had an okay week. I kind of stayed the same. I got a scale number in the photograph of what I weighed in this morning on June 16th. It's a Monday morning, getting ready to go to work at noontime, and yeah, it's been pretty good. I decided this coming week that we're going to try a little bit something different this week. We're going to do some carnivore meals in the Lion diet. Now, what basically the Lion diet is all meat-based diet with salt, and pretty much that's it, and water, and I'm still going to have my coffee in the morning because I need at least that to get me going in the morning for now. At some point, I might wind up giving up the coffee for a little period of time and see what kind of effect it might have on my body. But yeah, this past week I finished up my last Diet Coke for a little while. I usually love drinking the Diet Coke Zero, but I was reading a lot about it and the health effects that it could cause on your body. So we're going to give it up for a period of time and see what it does to me and how it affects my skin. I have a lot of bad skin issue with my flakiness in my skin, psoriasis, and some other bad issues going on with it. And of course, the lipedema I got in my right leg. And I'm hoping some of that resolves some of that issue. And, we just go on from there. But I'm going to be filling up my meals, and my starting weight again is 274.4 pounds this week. I'm okay with that. I had an okay week at work this week. I worked last night on Sunday on my day off. She called me up and asked me if I wanted to go in for 4 hours. And I was scheduled in for 2 days this week. I'm scheduled in for 5 days now. So I've got a pretty busy week work-wise. And, Donna didn't win nothing at bingo this week. We did a lot of walking last week. The walking may slow down a little bit this week. But I'm going to go do a late afternoon walk when I get out of work and do a couple of errands. And then over the course of this week, I'll probably do some walking in the morning before I go into work in the afternoon, late evening shift, and that sort of thing. And other than that, it's been pretty good. I'm going to continue on filming. I'm trying to film out some recipes for you guys on what I eat in a day, type of thing. For instance, today I started out with 3 eggs and 6 sausages in the morning for breakfast. That's all I had. And I had 3 cups of coffee in me this morning, and then for lunch I'm going to make a couple of ribeye steaks. I might eat one and save one for another meal. And if I don't have it today, I'll have it later on in the week, and I can just cube it all up and just warm it up in the air fryer. But again, I would suggest doing your homework on the Lion diet and the carnivore. And carnivore is kind of like coming in off of keto to carnivore. Now, I did keto the first 4 years that I was on low-carb weight loss, and I did some low-carb meals, and that's not really keto meals, but basically low-carb meals. And the whole point of it is we were struggling with the economy and everything, so that's why I went back to work. And now that I'm working and I'm getting more hours now, which I like, I could keep up with the price of inflation and the meat prices, and I buying huge, large family packs of ground beef and, that sort of thing. The Lion diet, typically, lions wouldn't eat like chicken and fish and that sort of thing. It's all meat-based diet. I don't like liver and that sort of thing, and I'm very particular on my meat. I only like beef, basically, and chicken, and I'll eat some fish on occasion. And as a treat for me, and try to get some protein in me along with the eggs that I like to eat in the morning and stuff like that. And we're gonna continue on with it and see what happens out of all this, and see where it is and how I feel at the end of the week. I've been drinking a lot more water than usual, than I've been drinking, that I've been accustomed to with the soda. And soda was my primary source of my water intake along with my coffee, and that's all been changing. And when I did do like a lot of walking, like one day last week, I went out walking 4 miles that day, and I felt really good. I wasn't tired at all. I stopped and I wanted to stop. And most of you guys know that when I'm walking, I take a lot of photography of buildings and anything that looks interesting to me. I would like to start venturing outside the city a little bit, maybe later on in the summer, as we get nicer days, and I can do it on my off hours or during the daytime. But it's say like a lot of times they have me going in at 5 to closing, and I can just do walk that sort of thing in the morning, and it won't be so bad on me. But this week I plan going on for this coming week, and I'll let you know how we did at the end of the week, and I'll film out some of my meals to show you what we can have on the Lion diet. But I hope this encourages you to continue following Ron Keto, and thank you for supporting my channel. My channel was not monetized, and cause I had my watch time hours up to almost 3,000 on watch time hours, but over the last several months there, YouTube has taken off almost 1,500 of those watch time hours, because you got to really be consistent, and they mess with people because they don't want your channel to be monetized, because it'll be something that they have to pay you and they don't want to pay you. That's what I think anyways. But I've had that issue before, and other YouTubers have that issue too. But it is what it is. The channel was created to document my journey, to see how far I can go with it. Now I can feel at the end of my week, and I've been feeling pretty good. So be that as said, I'm going to get going. I'll post this up there, and get any comments to make, any suggestions for me, let me know. And I'll have some thought videos later on in the week as I get time to film some of these different things I got planned for the different videos to help you guys and to keep you guys encouraged to lose the weight. But overall, I lost 200 pounds over a 4-year period. I gained back a lot of my weight. I'm back on track with my weight. My stomach don't feel bloated. I feel pretty good about everything, and I'm happy, and I'm very, very blessed and thankful. But be that said, I'm going to get going. You guys have an amazing day. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.